Hi, this is Tirupati Pusala. Today I am going to explain about PRA tools, which is very much important to development workers. I am going to explain in development perspective, which is very much useful to get the data from the community. As a development worker, I know very well how much it's struggle to get data from the community as well as government officials. Of course, it is little easy to get the data from the government officials as well as websites, because that is the secondary data. But to find the primary data, it is very much tough to get from the community, because within a short period we cannot get data from the community. I will give my example. When I was in FWS1, I was struggled a lot to get the data from the community because I don't have any rapport building activities and there was nothing to do. But after applying myself PRA tools, I have been succeeded to get the data from the community. There are number of PRA tools available in that particular manner. Like we will be having transact work, social map, wealth ranking, problem tree analysis, problem and solution tree, and trend analysis, seasonal calendar. These are the PRA tools which can help a development worker to get the data from the community in within a given up period time. Like if you take the social map will help you to understand the socio-economical status of the particular geographical area where you have been placed. And while doing social map, people will be participated themselves. During that time you will be improved your rapport building with community. That is the advantages of PRA tools. If you take the problem tree will analyze what are the root causes of problem and what is the consequences of the problem. These kind of information you will get from the community by doing this activity. It will be very much helpful you to get the data from community. That's why I'm going to explain about PRA tools. Now I'm going to explain about PRA tools, which is uh, known very famous and which is very important among the PRA tools. That is matrix ranking. Matrix ranking in the sense, if you go any location, any village, any context, it can be tribal, it can be coastal, it can be rural, it can be also urban area. There will be lot of developmental issues existed in that particular area. By seeing yourself, you can be identify number of developmental issues, but you cannot find which is the major developmental issues existed in that particular location. You need to find that particular problem. You need to have people's participation. So here matrix ranking will help you to get the uh, developmental issue, which is the major developmental issue existed in that particular location. Now let's see the matrix ranking, how we have to do with participation of the community. As earlier we discussed that we are going to do matrix ranking with community. Now let's see how to do matrix ranking among the community. Then what are the problems we will be having in your village?
Open defecation and big problem.
Why are you asking first question?
That matrix ranking in the sense, I am a development worker. I came to your village. I want to get to know that which is the major problem existed in your village.
We have lot of problems.
Lot of problems we will be having, but I don't know which is the major
Will
problem.
you solve all those problems?
That we will be going to give interventions through our projects. That's why I'm going to take which is the major problem existed in your village.
Okay, means you are giving promise that you will solve.
Yes, definitely.
Okay.
So I think according to me, infrastructure not having school.
Yeah.
That is the reason. Major
Just
problem.
you can draw
How?
that straight line,
Then?
and you can give straight line like this.
Okay.
And this is the problems row. This is the numbering row.
Okay. Numbering means?
I will tell. I will tell. Just give
How much?
6 to 7.
Okay.
It's based on your problems.
Okay. If it is small problem, then also it is fine.
It means yes, you can tell whatever. Just you can write down what are the problems
Problem.
existed in your village.
Major issue, open defecation is the major issue.
Okay, open defecation.
Very.
Then water, lack of water for agriculture.
Okay, okay. Water scarcity is the major problem. You yourself, you can tell.
Yeah, my problem is infrastructure.
Infrastructure.
Infrastructure,
Lack of
what
infra-
happened? No, it's up to fifth standard.
Yeah,
No ATM.
Okay, means,
high school.
okay, we need.
Hey, no ATM center.
What is the problem?
For me, alcoholism in this village is major problem.
Alcoholism.
But you also take na.
See, it is a problem.
Hey, ATM center.
Sir.
ATM center.
Network, I also found that there is
Gender-
transportation also major problem in your village. Just you can write down transportation.
But we don't feel it as a problem.
We have bike.
We are feeling another thing that our most of the boys are not getting married since they are not getting girls.
Yeah, that is also biggest problem.
Big issue. But how you can solve this issue?
Can you?
Yeah, खत्म.
Ratio.
Hey, whatever you want. Sex ratio. Sex ratio. मतलब?
Amma, you are not getting married.
Just
until
you can
now.
give one.
You are 32.
And two.
No problem.
Wait. How many problems? 5, 6, 7. Just you can draw.
This is
9 seconds.
Why?
To find the which is the major.
Hey, I have to go.
Like this we will find out.
Wait.
Go then. Go.
Go. Anna, you will do.
Yeah.
Sir, can I leave now?
Just you can give that.
Why?
Because we can be find easily if you give like.
Then from where we will give?
No. We have to
He's
give
wasting
from
our
here.
time. Pa.
Just you can give brother from year to year, year to year. Here.
Now here. Straight.
Now game starts and
Game.
Price
You
is
don't even
price,
solve problem.
Yeah, definitely. I
What will
be
be
solve.
price?
Then
Yeah.
game.
Yeah, definitely. I will be going to solve this problem through interventions. And open defecation and lack of water is the major problem in your village, which is the major issue among us.
Lack of water.
According to open defecation.
No, lack of
According
water.
to open defecation.
Yeah.
No water. That's why we are going open defecation.
We would come.
Okay, lack of
water for agriculture.
one open defecation and lack of water. 2 is you can mention 2 here.
You can.
And among the two, you can do. And
Okay.
open defecation and infrastructure, which is the major problem.
Infrastructure.
Open defecation.
Our student.
Water.
Our students are not.
No.
You have to tell among these.
Our children are not able to take education. It's a very big issue. Infrastructure.
We didn't take education,
Give
but our
infrastructure.
children will do.
3 is the major problem.
No. One only. Sir.
No, majority is 3.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to go with majority. Na? Open defecation and alcoholism.
Open defecation. Open defecation.
No, alcoholism.
Alcoholism. Yeah, open defecation. Alcoholism, open defecation.
Okay, give 4. Alcoholism.
Open defecation.
No ATM. We are not able to take.
No need of cash.
No need of what is the knowledge of this? Open defecation. ATM. Figure.
Open defecation.
Open
Then give open defecation. Majority is there. 1.
Sir, you listen me only.
Yeah, open defecation and transportation. Among these
Transportation.
Open defecation. Open defecation.
Transportation.
Sir, you also know
Okay,
transportation is major
6,
problem.
you can give 6.
No, sir.
You have to
don't
solve
know.
this problem, huh?
Yeah, definitely.
6 times you will solve this problem.
Yeah, open defecation and sex ratio, which is the major problem.
Sex ratio.
Open defecation.
No, sex ratio.
Open defecation.
Sex ratio.
What's your?
Sex ratio.
ratio?
Then you can tell brother.
Past some years you are not getting girls for
What is sex ratio?
This is sex and ratio.
Yeah, our brothers are not able to take.
He is only.
Yeah.
Not married.
Yeah,
You are not getting. You also
Yeah.
are married. From last 5 years, your family is searching girl for you. Where we?
Sir,
in our
sex ratio.
Open
Because of
defecation.
because
Majority will be
of
having sex ratio. 7 you can.
Okay.
because of Gulshan office.
Okay, wait. You can tell them that we have to study.
Hey, you can write.
No, you
No.
can.
Lack of 2 and 3, which is the major problem. 2 and 4.
Alcoholism.
4.
2. फिर से 2.
2 and 5.
2.
Actually, what are you doing?
Two and
No,
six.
no.
2. खाने को कुछ है ही नहीं 2.
2 and 7. Wait, brother.
No, अरे
3 and 4.
What are you doing? Ask her just.
4,
Ask
3 and 5.
Yeah.
3,
3 and 6.
6,
You can give to one more person. Yes, he will handle. And
Yeah, let it took.
4 and 5.
No, already, sir.
Yeah, okay, sir. You can do 4 and 5.
4 and 5, 4,
4,
5.
4,
5.
4,
5.
5.
4,
Everybody 4. And 4 and 6.
6,
6. 4 or 5 first, na? 5 and 6.
You have already by now.
Over, sir. 4 and 6.
6.
4 and 7.
6 ratio.
Okay. And 5 and 6.
6.
Okay, give.
6 ratio.
6 is.
6
Okay,
ratio.
6. Okay. This is the.
You played TikTok with us.
No. This is the matrix ranking. Among this, we will find now.
1 to 3 is coming, Ram.
No,
So
it is
what
not.
is the now you can what you can do?
No, which number is having
highest.
highest? That is your.
This number is
major
highest.
Major
6.
problem, huh?
7.
Let's count.
7 major
Dhoni.
One,
7 is
two,
highest Dhoni.
7
4. This is 4 only. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
6 is this one. But 7 is big number.
This
No,
is
no.
not now counted.
No. See, please understand. Which number comes here? How can I say that?
From bottom of this line, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
There are 7 here. Among this, which number comes here more? That we can assume.
Then 6.
6 is more. Which means 6
Major
is
problem.
major developmental issues.
Transportation.
Transportation.
Then second.
You have seen how to do matrix ranking earlier. That is the way to get the existed problem from the community. This is the way we have to do matrix ranking when we were with community. Thank you very much.